With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hey everyone, so the question we have got today, ABAB pattern of close packing gives SCP arrangement, and the region we have got, first we have got the assertion that ABAB pattern close packing gives SCP arrangement, and the region we have got that in SCP arrangement each sphere is associated with the tetrahedral voids. Now we have got the hexagonal close packing. We have got the SCP. In SCP there are six sphere and which is A, and there are three sphere which are present. There are six sphere which is present on the tetrahedral void and three sphere that is also covers the tetrahedral void, in that case octahedral void. So in that case, because that forms AB type, which it becomes an hexagonal close packing because there are six individuals, and due to that there are six octahedral voids are present. Six octahedral voids, and you all know that number of octahedral voids equal to 2 number of octahedral voids. That means there are 12 tetrahedral voids are present in that case. There are 12 tetrahedral void is present in SCP packing, and each pair of SCP packing or SCP arrangement obtains or involvement in two tetrahedral void. That means each sphere have involvement in two tetrahedral void. Two tetrahedral void involvement is there present in that case in the SCP. Now when we got back to the ABAB, the pattern of close packing gives SCP arrangement. There the assertion is true and the region is also true, but the region does not explain in the case of assertion. In SCP arrangement, each sphere is associated to tetrahedral. That region is true, but it does not associate with the assertion that we have given. So in both that case, that means option B, our case in which got that both A and R true, but R does not explain A. So this will be our option 2 will be our in that case answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.